feel safe in your vehicle.
Because your car
look at all those goods there, guys who want to beat us up. But you've seen those guys out there with the stick. Officer, we still. But they're working with the ones with non-uniforms.
Holding sticks.
Where the people who are the guys wearing people power tags?
They are there.
Officer, you are being watched. That is one thing you must be know. Okay? Museveni will not take your responsibility.
Now they're going to do chaos. They're going to do chaos now.
Why?
And you wait. Target that man who's they're beating people.
Onakubya abantu oyo BMP.
Kato bili tuzeno kuchikuba ekigende Kampala kibache tusula ku gulu highway na bichika kachiri tugenda tusula Kampala. Mujje bannaye kankweleze live wetuli kankweleze WhatsApp live ola betuli.
Madam, even you.
Kujja ku president.
Bagenda kuyita wano bakubenda birwamba tujja. Bagenda kukola chaos now. No problem. No sigula omujowero.
Fulumenga tukolola.
Na tosanda birwamba tatogulawo. Oguddewe motoka misa. Nedda.
Bagenda tukuba paper spray. Tubeere muno. Wingese.
Mujigudde motoka.
Motoka tujigudde.
No, if the Singapore journalists baja, I would be safe to leave here.
Olujirulaga nti ziri crossed.
Yeah.
Waliwo olujja
Luno business netalugudde luno. Yes.
Babuze.
babaddawe mabega ne baddayo motoka ya mulya nyama.
Hello? Hello.
Which car is there?
I know you.
Who is this?
UBG 65.
I'll talk to you later. Well, we are stuck somewhere. Police has rounded us off.
UBG 6858.
Eh? Tuli motoka ya. Somewhere in Lira. Is that Honorable Mpuga? Is that Mpuga? Yeah, looks like good. Somewhere in Lira. Titumaji why exactly?
Yeah,
boss, I'll talk to you later. Eh?
Yeah. Good. They're fine.
bagenda tukuba batutu
era banayi tulina okwencouraging abantu ne bakozesa Facebook ne bakozesa social media
tovaako president live
akwendindi live bayina ebigo sharp like it's as if they've come to hunt Penag. Uganda. Yeah, we continue that shared our circumstances and communicated. Right, Puga has found his way to this place, and it's yeah, and the media has started coming now, not having a semblance of safety. Otherwise, our lives continue to be in danger at the hands of these police officers.
Bana mawulira abamu batuuse gwe tolabika.
Honorable. Uli wamwe.
Sikubira kumpuga jya.
Fekati tuina je tuli eno uya. Honorable Mpuga siyo gwe tulaba. Mpuga wali kamukubira actually ya mulebe kamukujeko mukubira. Ricardo. Ricardo.
Okay,
Can you imagine? These guys have been moving with guns.
Mugai wambadde butag za people power.
Holding our cards. And they're having sticks. They're having ropes.
Yeah, and of course they do that to purport us as hooligans, as brutal.
And they are using their own car where they want us to sit as the very car they are using to carry the goods.
Hello? Yes, we are trying to police. We have been surrounded by police. Ropes. Dine attacks were people power officials. Of course, we've been asking police, so if those are people power officials, why are you working with them? Why aren't you arresting them? No. That is the goon. That is the goon.
Teacher to break down. She's the chigon to.
Anji?
Buza abantu bannaye buza ku bantu ababoda bakulete.
Wenjogerera batusaze kuwana
Brigade yezo ikigondi kize.
Sitokayo. Edi. Wano simu ziri bbiri waseyo zinsikiza ke. Wamune mutwe. Nechi amano DP wakowen. Iranga tusabitwa. Sina mwesijira.
Guno
so bakuto buli kimu kyonna okwagala okutusabira emanyi nti national community club manyi nti abantu bafuna.
That's the goon.
This is one of them. Yeah.
That's the goon, yes.
Wadi mulyanya
He has got the orders. He's now going to start hitting.
Tuli wali
He has got the orders.
Working alongside police.
Batusazeeko batusalideko ddala.
Yeah, even Chivumbi has come. Even Mwanga Chivumbi has come, yeah. Good. He has come.
Mwanga Chivumbi atuuse.
Yeah. MP has come also.
No problem, even if they tow it, but they are not putting us in that torture car. You see that one of those goons in a green t-shirt? He has a tag, people power official. You see that tag? Yeah. And the other one in a blue t-shirt. It even has a vocabulary. Now,
space bakulabe kiwadde
you see those three goons there? With the good people.
Take back the resume.
tebasobola kuwa space ku kyewabavuze.
Yes. Honorable Kale.
Two issues with the DPC. What do we take? They are like, they can get us out of town.
Yes. Yes.
They are saying they will take
Your
you
life.
in their car.
Your
But
life.
I can even join. In their car. Then out of, I think, Lila and we go.
But why don't I sit in your car or on a Bompoga's car?
And to
Yes.
to be sure.
Yeah.
Bagan, you are taking them around town.
They go ahead of us. They go ahead, but let them lead us.
These are goons trying to hit us.
Has the media reached?
Our instructions, your DPC.
George Obia. As you can see, those with people power official tags are the ones who are trying to clamp our
Our officials.
Now you see the so-called people power officials are the ones dealing with the police. Yeah, he's run away because he's
running away.
These people are claiming to be people power officials, dressed by the police, planted by the police to brutalize us. Look at this person, even having my picture on his chest, claiming they are officials.
And joining the police.
Look at what the police is doing.
They are not
Now that person is claiming to be a people power team.
They are goons, eh? They have been carrying. They have ropes. They have sticks.
So you see why we did want to get a door to get the car. Yes, MK. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Okay.
This is what we don't want.
Yes.
We have bigger battles ahead.
Yes, I agree with you. My man, now, driver Honorable Mpuga. Can I go with the two of you? Yes. Can yes.